Hey, this is Amir. Welcome to Desmos Hacks video 4. So before we do this question, let's review what we did in video 3, where we were given 2 points and we were asked to find the equation of the line. If you're given 2 points, press the plus, table. I think the points on the problem were like 0, 2, 8, 34, and then you press the add regression, and then you're given the equation of the line, y equals 4x plus 2. Now, in this problem, in the xy plane, the line P has a slope of -5/3 and an x-intercept of -6, 0. What is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of line P? So we're not given 2 points anymore. We're given one coordinate, -6, 0. So we're going to add that. -6, 0. And then we're not given another point, so we can't do the same thing, but we can do it another way. Slope is -5/3. So m1 equals -5/3. And then we have to do something else. So we know the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The Desmos formula, if you want to get the line, if you're given the slope and a point, it's y1 tilde, which is this squiggly, where if you go on your keyboard, you could find it to the left of the 1 key, you press shift, and the key to the left of the 1 key, or you can go here on the keypad, go to ABC, and it's right here. So let's put that in, y1 tilde m1 x1 plus b1, and then it gives us b1 equals -10. That's our y-intercept. So the answer is -10, and that's it.